contact code. I premier part. All over get the ball game late. On your birthday now. $2 give me some highlight. Yeah, my father witness so me have to do this, so me have to do it. On your birthday. Happy birthday. So introduce yourself, then me go play the song, and you go back and hold your ball. What's your name?
My name is Althea Hewitt. And of course, on my birthday, I'm going to bless the place. Play a song, producer, pick up yourself upstairs. I'm going to start stuff like this.
We got one heap of producer. The producer got the name?
Claude Evans. Not upstairs. But chill out is a little private one, you know?
Alright, so we'll premiere your song and then we'll just get to the business part. Ready, man?
Oh, she wants to sing the song.
Hey, roll it down, roll it down, roll it down, roll it down. I'm bless the place, yeah. Shut it. Hold on, man. Hold on, sir.
I'm gonna talk, miss. I never know you like a DJ. But hold on now. You set? I never know you have a set. I just call you to tell you happy birthday, but since you're your birthday, you'll get the benefit I know. Sing over your song. Go in now.
Hey! Oh, yeah! Jamaica funk, that's what it is. Jamaica, dedicated to you. Come on, I got to, I'm good for you. You know where I'll be. Hey, funky for Jamaica. Dedicated to you. Jamaica funk, that's what it is. Dedicated to you. It's in our heartbeat, in our soul. Funky for Jamaica, we're funky from home. Funky from the flowing, no matter where we're going. Whether it's on the street or in the shop, just let it go. Oh, Jamaica, dash, dash, dash. My cameras, can I just? Yeah. I don't know if anybody know me. I've never number one song. It go like this. Those schoolgirl days, telling tales and finding nails are gold. But in my mind, I don't know it, man. I know they will still live on and on. Sing it out now. But how do you thank someone who has taken you from crayons to perfume? It is not easy, but I'll try. If you wanted a sky, I would run across the sky in letters that would soar 1,000 feet high. Sing it to serve, what to love. Thank you.
You're welcome. Where you go? On your birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. I am telling you.
And I'm going up to New York this weekend, coming to get honored and do a big party up there. I'm going to show them up there. Then come back and say, come down the place, so I come back.
Alright, big up myself. Remember my cash birthday celebration too. Better boss, alright. Business partner, John. Yo!